Now, the concept of qubits basically is that in each of a readable position in your hardware and algorithm for the computation, that that qubit can be a variety of positions depending on the frequency or the amplitude wave. You can have frequency waves or amplitude waves or superposition waves, some sort of physical quantity or quality that tells things apart. Now, if you maintain that one physical quantity or quality you're looking for throughout a calculation, then you can have a program in that space, quantity and quality as well. So basically, each program can then be used as a subroutine input to another general program of interest that accumulates the results you're looking for, while each of these subroutines themselves are doing their own program and own work. Now, that is what I think conceptually makes quantum computers that much faster. But people don't really know how it works and how to get it to work reliably. Now, you have a 4 by 4 array and binary pointer the way I am suggesting my computer architecture, based on my school and my research. You will have a handler control on every clock cycle. There will be no guesswork, there will be no errors, etc. You can eventually do more sophisticated thing based on a building block like this. Your qubit computer uses a building block of 0 and 1. Now this architecture will use a building block of a 4 by 4 matrix or 4 by 4 array. You can do so many more things in one shot or one cycle, as you are familiar with what you can do with a 1-bit binary computer. Just turn something on or off. With a 2-bit binary computer or a 3-bit or a 4-bit, actually follows more laws in speed and productivity as well as in fabrication, somewhat to a large extent. So I am saying things by way of analogy, comparison, and inferences based on what people who knows a little bit about binary and computer, or who knows a lot of it, but who don't know how to bring things together to make something useful that the world can use right away. Engineering is very, very simple. I need a knife. I don't use bones anymore. I use a steel or iron to make a knife and I sharpen it. Then I have a knife. Or I can use my fingernails and tear out my fingernails, right?